The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700-505 7728 8794 250646.
Two-way traffic will resume on the Umiam bridge starting from the 30th of July 2024 with a vehicle weight limit of 4 metric tons. Minister of Meghalaya AT Mondal announced this decision after a high-power committee meeting led by Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Prestone Tynsong. The repair works on the dam and bridge, which commenced on the 14th of December 2023, has a cost of rupees 19.9 crores.
And after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways. And this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be a further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam bridge is concerned. And you see, we told that by July we will finish. I told you once that we may go to first week of August, because we thought that there may be some heavy downpour, 1 or 2 days we cannot work. That's why I took that extra gap for that. But luckily, the rain we have withstood and work has been done as per our plan. So we are very much concerned with our commuters. It is really very saddening also. Just now before the meeting, I have traveled from Fulbari and I came through this road only. I have seen, that's why I requested that why not immediately, at least the people who will go for official work, who will go for treatment, who will go to catch the flight from Guwahati. Many other reasons are there. Let them get some relief immediately. Otherwise, we would go for those barriers and then would allow to go the vehicles. But because seeing the pain of the commuters, we are allowing them to go. That a permanent barrier will be put so that it will be automatically restricted. PWD has been entrusted to find out ways and means to put permanent barricade so that the heavy vehicles cannot enter the bridge. Because bridge and more of that, our dam is the most important thing as of now to safeguard its safety. That's the thing. And second thing is that we have already installed CCTV cameras. A alternative route bypassing this bridge will be in place as early as possible, but it is not an easy work. Number one, we got to find out the alignment, negotiate the contours, and also see that how land position is there. But department PWD is on the job.